Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious ranch dipping sauce. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need a medium-sized bowl for combining everything. This recipe is designed to be incredibly straightforward, perfect for any occasion. We'll walk through each step, making it easy to create a creamy, flavorful dip that everyone will love. Let's get started on this simple and satisfying treat. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of rich sour cream as your base. For that classic ranch taste, incorporate fresh herbs such as finely chopped dill and chives. If fresh isn't available, dried herbs work well too. Don't forget essential seasonings like 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder to enhance the flavor profile. These ingredients are key to a perfect dip. Now combine your mayonnaise, sour cream, and all the herbs and spices in your mixing bowl. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and has a creamy consistency. This ensures all the flavors are evenly distributed. Taste the dip and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper according to your preference. Feel free to add more of any herb to customize the flavor to your liking. Once mixed, cover your ranch dip and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more robust and delicious taste. Serve your chilled ranch dip with an assortment of fresh vegetables, crispy potato chips, or even as a spread on sandwiches. Any leftover dip can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.